Oh guys, we are here at Safari, Toronto. So we are buying the ticket. Salamat ka. Pakita, tanong mo rin niya ang hawak mong yan. So people are lining up and it's too early to come, but it's a good thing because the weather is good. It seems that it's not raining right now. See, it's so cloudy, but hopefully it won't rain. So we'll be enjoying going around inside Safari.
I use my own invisible power.
Hey AJ, are you happy to see some animals? What? What?
Probably the fish more.
Halika na, huwag kayo mag-stay rito. Hey AJ. You know, the bear will smack you if you don't have a red band. See? That's the rule.
But how about there's a bull and they like red and
Yeah.
then they chase us?
Oh, really? Okay, ano nga?
No, me. That's mine.
Mama will do it for you. Ito, ganun mo ito. Thank you.
So how are you doing? Good.
Wow. Please do not bang on wire. Oh. Hey. Your bird is here. Look at it. That's a bird in our house.
It's just a bird.
Yeah. No. The inside is... Wow.
Why does this have to be so hard?
Sabi ko nga yung bird natin, nandun natin. Halika na. What's this one here inside?
Nothing. Nothing inside.
There must be there. Okay. It's always be this way, this arrangement. Whenever there is a site, then there is a store. Girls, boys. Ooh! Look! They went inside there. You want to go inside?
Where?
Here! Here!
No, not a maze.
No, look at it. Come. See? Oh!
It's a maze. I told you it's a maze.
Wala, ano lang yan, pinag-anuan ng mga bata siguro. Okay.
Let's go. I want to see more.
Okay, let's see. Oh, it's a big one.
Let's go. No.
It's Otter Talk. 11 tip talks. Wolf Talk. Oh, Indian Rhino Talk.
Let's go.
Wait. Gibbon. Giraffe. Hippo Talk. Ongoing.
Flamingo.
Hindi, may sasakay siya yata tayo sa ano eh.
Flamingo. Let's go there.
There's a lion.
Where?
Rhino. Ba't parang wala siyang mga bear? At saka ano, bison or something.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, go there.
No picture. Let's go.
We talked about this in the car.
Let's go.
When we picked up our board from the woodshed.
Hey AJ, not there. This way. Right here. No hungry hippo. Hippo's here. There's hippo. The monkey. Merimbe, cool stuff. The jolly giraffe. Fred parrot. Oh. I think we have to ride the...
No.
What are you always saying? No.
Remember what I told you in Burger
We will
King?
not walk. We will not walk. But maybe they will provide us rides. Safari rides, I guess. Safari rides. Did you know? Every year in November, safari maker turns into this thing. Oh. Hey, anak, wait. We are reading. Come here. Tangkad na maputi, tangkad na babae na yun, oh. Siguro ano na yung mga 5'9" na yun. Batang-bata pa siya.
What's this one? Like
That's for the monkey.
monkey, there's no monkey in there.
Because
No, for a bird.
oh, look, it could be. Because look at this one. Oh, I told you it's a monkey. Did you know? Compare your hands to the size of the full ground. Marmots is still there.
Where's the monkey?
Oh. This tiny private and overall male conversations. 18. Oh, he's tiny one.
Where?
This 18.8, not including in tail. Maliit lang siya eh. Parang
No monkey.
That's it.
this is the one, but this is a small one, 18.8 inches. More than 1 foot.
Oh, in the evening?
Ano yan? Ano yan, Leah? Bakit? Baka dito namatay. Oh, Leah, 27 August. Ay, balagay ko. Hindi, 27 to August. Ibig sabihin, bagong ano siya. Bagong anak lang. 1 buwan lang siguro.
Baka anak ng may-ari dito. Kaya dito nilibing.
Kasi July lang to 27 August. 1 buwan lang eh.
Oh my God.
Akala ko meron tayong service.
Ha?
Wala?
Yun o, pipila ba doon?
Saan?
Yun, nilabasan mo na. Kuya, dun sa pinagbibidyohan mo kanina.
Oo.
Kung gusto mong sumakay doon, line up doon yung road.
Ay, ba't ano? Maglalakad tayo?
Oh, wala pa naman kami. Ano, mag-aantot tayo ng oras. Ay!
Oh, flamingo. We have that at home, but it's still. Meron din naman tayo. Yeah, it's a real flamingo, not in our house. Our house is a steel one.
Not gonna lie, it looks fake.
Look at it. See? Because he's tall, and he can still
That
eat.
one is real there.
All of them. What do you mean pig? The pig one is in our house, in the garden. Look at it.
Oh, they're drinking the water.
No,
thought
they're
they were
eating.
Upside down.
No. See, look at it.
this is your first time seeing flamingo, right?
No, we have flamingo, but it's a fake one. You had. Oh, see, it's deeper. They're sucking. Oh, ganun pala talaga sila, no?
Okay, let's go.
Okay. I think I have to turn this off. It's already 10 minutes.